So what are the objectives of these credit rating agencies? The prime objective of any credit rating agency is to inform its clients or investors all the information they have about the various investment destinations, be it government or corporates, and they should provide the right information to its clients that are investors at a very low cost. That's the prime objective of a credit rating agencies. So the main objective is to provide superior and low cost info to investors for taking decisions regarding risk return trade off. Other objectives include improves the healthy discipline on borrowers, lends greater confidence to financial aid and other representations, facilitates formulation of public guidelines on institutional investments, helps merchant bankers, brokers, regulatory authorities in discharging their functions related to debt issues, encourages greater information disclosure, better accounting standards, and improved financial information, hence helps in protecting the investors, and it also may reduce interest cost for highly rated companies.